I'm very excited for this one. The Nanoleaf starter kit with the lines. I got a whole boast of their products. I have the RGB light bulb. I've got the strip, but I want to kind of improve my background. I'm thinking of moving my Kanye poster to the front of the door and either adding these lines to this side and kind of hide the cable just behind the disc. And then I might remove this light, which is, I guess, brightens up like my background. Now, so this is what you guys see when I'm recording videos for my YouTube. So that's why I think maybe behind, and then maybe move like the Kanye poster maybe over at the front door. All right, oh, so the colors outside the lines. I think this is the lines of south that I will use. I think this is the plug that I will use to plug it in. And I think these are the joiners. I could be wrong though. Or maybe these are the joiners. That actually is pretty fire. That's pretty fire. All right, so this is the design I've set my kind of mind on. It's not the greatest, but I think if I have it going across this wall, I think it'll be pretty fire.
Hold on, I didn't hear, what did you say? I want some niggas that bang on their chest, I took my fucking planet to X. And I keep Vivian on my face. Yeah, she keep number 9 on her way. Yeah, no more demon, I'm chilling today. I'm just playing up blood, the place I got babe on my body, go out with gorillas. I updated my last bitch, in the car while I'm rolling up gas.
Nah, bro, that's actually pretty fire. Bro, this shit is clean. Bro, that's actually fire. Yo, this is pretty fire. This is pretty fire. Also, it moves as I talk. It's like a visualizer. So every time it hears like sound playing, I want to see how it sounds when I play some music. I think this will be helpful, especially when I'm recording reaction videos. You know, I can have like the beat playing in the background, and I guess the lights will kind of match the song I'm reacting to and my voice too. I think that's pretty fire. It might be distracting, but you know, I think that's pretty cool. So, you know, I'm someone that wants to put my all in everything that I try and everything, you know, that I do in life. And for me, I'm just a go-getter. Like if I want something, I want to make sure I put my all to get what I want in terms of like my goals and everything. And I think, bro, I'm just excited to see the content that's gonna be coming, because this shit fire.